Searching for moving services near me can feel overwhelming with so many companies to choose from. Whether you're planning a local move across town or a long distance relocation, choosing experienced movers can make the entire process easier, safer, and far less stressful. In this video, Better Life Moving explains how to compare movers, understand pricing, and choose the right moving services for your needs. The first step is understanding what type of move you're planning. Local movers typically charge by the hour and specialize in short-distance relocations. Long-distance movers coordinate interstate transportation, logistics, scheduling, and pricing based on mileage and shipment size. Hiring movers who specialize in your type of relocation helps avoid delays and unexpected costs. Before booking, verify that your moving company is licensed and insured. Read customer reviews, compare detailed written estimates, and ask about packing, storage, and insurance options. Better Life Moving provides transparent pricing, professional crews, and customized moving solutions designed for both residential and commercial customers throughout Boston and beyond. Every move is different, which is why detailed quotes matter. A professional estimate should explain labor, transportation, packing services, storage options, and any additional fees before moving day. Many homeowners also benefit from full-service packing, climate-controlled storage, and unpacking assistance that helps simplify the relocation process from start to finish. Whether you're moving across Boston or across the country, Better Life Moving provides experienced crews, flexible scheduling, transparent pricing, and dependable customer service every step of the way. Read our complete guide to learn how to compare moving companies and request your free moving quote today.